Multiple time I have explained what are the most challenging problems in the world, and each political parties, or you can say head of that particular countries or leading organizations in the world, need to focus. First, most, you can say, challenging problem, and that is the most dangerous problem, and if we will not solve immediately, it would be too late. First thing is, we need to save fundamental seeds. Because of the hybrid seed, we are losing the fundamental seed. Those seed actual has the real property or real medication or real benefits for human. But to increase the population, we are forced to make a hybrid seed. Because of that, we are losing the fundamental seed. And apart from that, lot of varieties of plants and lot of animals are totally vanished from this earth. I will go in more detail, but just to make it short, as per natural equilibrium principle, minimum number of plants and creatures are required. So fundamental seed and these things is a first. I am putting the first category one, category two in the first. So we have to say. Second thing, entire world is becoming zone of chemicals. Nobody is going to save you. You are going to face next generation biggest problem, health issues and other thing. So we have to minimize the use of the chemicals. When I observe what things are making our village and other thing is more polluted, then we came to know soaps and other thing, because any arrangement made by the supreme power, he knows they have made the arrangement for their recycling and other thing. Just I want to take a quick example. What food you are taking, the garbage, your seat or toilet, is the fertilizer for your food. Think about their recycling. From small bacteria to small ant to biggest is the vulture, was the cleaner of this environment. Now vulture is almost vanished. Think about where our chemicals are going. In so-called developed countries, economically they are developed, but mentally they are more bankrupted than the developed or undeveloped countries. You are saying they are, what they used to think, all chemicals directly, the chemicals and other, you can say, dangerous things they used to put into the sea. India, like country which is big thing, they used to put into the rivers. Now you can't, lot of rivers, even though you can't take a bath, drinking a water is too far. Even though when I was a kid, I used to go in a local rivers, I can go and drink the water, but now it is impossible. So second thing, entire world is becoming garbage of the chemicals. Nobody is thinking about that. We need to think, otherwise it would be too late. And third most challenging thing is, earth is becoming poor day by day. One day will come, you don't, what building you are making, what iron, cements and other stuffs you are using, once those after their life, one day will come, we don't have a proper metals and other thing, and then again we have to revert back in old thing, like either live into the hut, either live into the skies. Still we are wasting lot of, just for curiosity we are sending our planes and other thing to the Mars. What is the sense of that, where you are still, your earth is becoming poor day by day. And the democracy system is the one of the biggest flaw of system. We need to think about the hybrid system. Why I'm saying the democracy, because those are increasing the population, they are cancer for the society. Like the cancer, what's the cancer? Cancer means every day cells are dying and then it's reproduced. But when their production is becoming too much, then they used to kill other cells. Same way, those are increasing the population in the democracy system, they are getting the more value. That is the totally faulty system. To make a policy, social scientists are required, not like a number of the vote and other thing. So three things, if a human is not going to solve, then entire human life is in a danger zone. I'm not going to consider other thing. So first remember, fundamental seed we need to save, and minimum like vultures and other thing is also required to save to maintain the natural equilibrium. I will tell why natural equilibrium is required in another video. Second thing, uh, chemical, entire world is becoming the junk or garbage of the chemicals. And third is earth is becoming poor day by day. We need to save our natural resources, which can only be possible when we will reduce our population. And also dependencies of science and technology, because science and technology never provide anything free of cost. There are a lot of side effects. So this video is especially for wise people. I know a lot of people, even though I made an NGO and other thing to protect this thing, then I realized I'm hurting my personal life, personal thing to. And when I used to go, people are just laughing, either they are just ignoring, I am stupid to save this world. Then I realized, okay, let these stupid and their generation, let him to die. What should I do? Even though I spend my lot of time to save this earth, save the next generation, and try to make the human happier. But once I feel my life is badly going to impact, then I keep quiet. But again, I am making this video. Might be some guys can take it serious and try to save this world. Thanks for watching my video.